Hi, I'm Miss Dara from the Rogers Public Library, and today we're doing Sublime Slime. So let's get started. Today we're going to do a jelly cube slime. So those of you who are slime experts know the jelly cube slime is made with magic erasers. So this is just a magic eraser that's been torn in half. So what you want to do is take your magic eraser, get you some scissors, and you just cut it into squares like this. So that you just have little squares for the jelly cubes. You can make them whatever size you want, or they actually sell jelly cubes for jelly cube slime that are pre-cut, and so we have a thing of those that are already pre-cut. All right, so the first thing you want to do is get a half a cup of clear glue. So I have my gallon of glue here, so I'm going to measure out a half a cup. So I'm going to pour it in here, and we just scrape as much as you can out of your measure. Okay. All right, so it's just nice clear glue. Then I'm going to add some food coloring. I'm going to make mine orange. Mix that in. And I'm going to go ahead and put some scent in it. Today I'm using jelly bean scent, but you can use whatever kind of scent you have. And sometimes if you don't have like just some different kind of scents, you can even use like some imitation flavorings like vanilla or lemon, scents like that. Peppermint, you can use that stuff in your slimes, or you can use like real essential oils if you have those. Okay, so that smells really good. And it's all stirred in. Then I'm going to add some glitter, and I just have some nice orange glitter. Mix that in a little bit. And then we're just going to add in it needs a half a cup of water. So if you don't want to add as much water to yours, that's okay. And then you need to stir that in really good. Okay, so there's that. And then we're going to add in our liquid starch. And so I just use Stay Flow liquid starch. And if you've had it sitting for a little bit, you're going to want to stir it up because it kind of settles into the bottom. And you're going to want to add 1/4 cup of liquid starch. And I'm not going to add quite all of that at once. I'm going to add about half of it and then do it again. Mix this in here. As you can see, it's already starting to clump up. It's kind of different to make this slime because it's got a lot of water in it. But like all your slimes, we do have some slime rules. So you want to make sure that you don't get the slime anywhere that you don't want it to stay, because it does have food coloring in it. You can get the slime out, but sometimes you can't get the color out. So don't put it on anybody or on your pets or in your hair or on your clothes. If you do get it on something, vinegar should take this slime out. So let me stir this just a little bit more. As you can see, it's all coming together really good here, but it's still really sticky. But I kind of want it sticky right now because I've got to put these jelly cubes in, and you want it to be sticky when you put the jelly cubes in. So I'm going to get some jelly cubes. Just get some in there. And you can really put just as many jelly cubes in it as you want to put in it. I think it needs a few more. Just make sure you cover up your jelly cubes so that they get in there really good and really stuck in there. Okay, so then you know if you just touch it and it's not too sticky, then you can touch it with your hands. But if it is too sticky, you want to put a little bit more liquid starch on it. So I think mine needs a little bit more. And here it is. Here's our jelly cube slime, our orange jelly cube slime. And as you see, it sticks to me a little bit more, but it pulls off of my hands if you just touch it with itself. So there we go. I think I'm going to add a little bit more liquid starch. And just stretching it and making it, working it will make it come together better. So this is our last regular slime for the summer. We have one more next week, but this one is a special slime class. We are going to be making some slime that you can pick up kits for at the library. So if you want to pick up a kit for your slime next week, just stop by the library, and you can stop by during curbside, or you can make an appointment to come into the library. And the hours are on our website, and just let us know how many kits you need, and we will give you kits to make slime. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.